Where is the market going today? That's the big question. But that's the big question every day. Good morning, friends. You're looking at my chart of the S&P E-mini. This is the ESU, and today is June 16th. Remember, if you're trading E-minis, you've got to roll your contract over to the ESU, the U contract from the ESM, which had been trading previously and which is expiring today. So roll your contract over. Be sure to roll your contract over today to the ESU. Anyway, where's the market going today? That is the question. That's the question not just today, but every day. Now, the market is generally driven by sentiment, right? And we saw that yesterday when the announcement of the FOMC, actually as in the aftermath of the FOMC, was seen. And I'm going to go back to yesterday, Thursday, June 15th, and the market traded. Let me raise this up. The market opened down here at 44.08, 44.09, traded up through my calculated trading zone, and then took off from there. But look at the targets. The target, of course, is always the previous day's close, and that's why I mark it on my chart every day, as you should as well. But there are also other targets. Other targets are the calculated support and the calculated resistance. And of course, yesterday, the market was driven mostly by sentiment, and the market shot up even more in a range of greater than what my calculations had estimated, had forecast. But still, look at the target. This is a target, as I said, the resistance, the calculated resistance. Prices rose from 44.09 up to and hit the previous day's close, of course, went up beyond there, went to the calculated resistance. But what happened? They spent nearly 2 hours at that resistance level. Now, at that point, for me, it might have been wise to jump off. But at the same time, if I transposed my trading zone, I knew the market was going to go higher. But nevertheless, where is the market going? Let's go over to today. Let's catch up to today. And here is my chart for today, June 16th. And you see the trading zone. You see where the market is trading. And the trading zone tells me that the range is 66 points today. 66 points. And the market has only put in about 30 points. So according to my numbers, the market has another 30 points to go. Doesn't mean it's going to, but this is one of the trading tools that I use to trade. And I always look at my targets. And the target today, as you can see, the market is basically cleaving to the previous day's close, to Thursday's close at 44.71. But we have to see. The afternoon session is where we're going to tell. And that's generally going to be around 2 o'clock, I figure. I trade from 2:30 to the end of the market, 4 o'clock, and we'll see where the market actually closes the day. But the real question, the only question that we need to know as traders, what we want to know is, where is the market going today? So thanks so much for watching. Trade safely, use lots of patience. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and I'll see you in my next video.